Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. SLOs of this lesson are identify and differentiate between simple and compound sentences. We have discussed the concept of simple sentences, simple sentence, which is also called the independent clause, which gives you full meaning or thought. Now look at the page number 24 of your textbook. First we will take a look at the sentence here. Every sentence must have at least one independent clause. A sentence begins with a capital letter and end with a period, full stop. We also call a period full stop. We have kinds of sentences. There are mainly four kinds of sentences in English: simple, complex, compound and complex, compound sentences. But in this unit we will only discuss the two types of sentences here: the simple sentence and the compound sentences. Now let's have a look at the simple sentence, what it is. A simple sentence consists of just one clause, one simple sentence. Example: the dog barks, the kettle boils, birds live in nest, the boys are singing. These sentences are simple, which have subject, action and object. In its simplest form, a simple sentence consists of a subject and a verb. We can add more meaning to the sentence by including qualifier, objects and complements, etc. Look at the examples here. Sitting on a branch, the monkey gibbered. The little girl was carrying a basket on her head. Here we have a simple sentences here, which have the full thought. Now let's discuss the compound sentence. What is a compound sentence? A compound sentence is made up of two or more independent clauses. Compound sentence consists of two simple sentences. How? Look at the example here. The boys sang and the girls danced. The boys sang is a independent clause, one independent clause here. And the girls danced is a one independent clause here. Here the A is a conjunction. A conjunction which joins the two independent clauses together. Now look at the second example. Man may come and man may go, but I go on forever. Here we again have compound sentence. Man may come and man may go, but I go on forever. This is also an example of, we have two conjunction here, and but here. This compound sentence consists of two simple clauses connected by the coordinating conjunction and here. And here is called the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction वो होता है जो दो sentences को आपस में जोड़े. These compound sentences consist of three independent clauses. We make compound sentences by joining independent clauses with the help of coordinating conjunction. We discussed that we join the two independent clauses by adding the coordinating conjunction but, because, and, if, when, etc. Now look at here. More examples of compound sentences are given below. You may have watched or you can go out to play. Here you may watch TV is an independent clause and you can go out to play is another independent clause, and or is here the coordinating conjunction. Look at the example number 2. You should either sit quietly or go out. The bold letters are here the coordinating conjunction. We have two conjunction here, either or. Look at the third one. The old man could neither see nor hear. We have two here again, neither or nor. Look at the fourth one. He took the test several times but he couldn't pass. But is a coordinating conjunction here. He is a farmer yet he is very humble. She was very angry, still she kept her cool. Still is also a coordinating conjunction here. Look at the last one. The thieves not only robbed the man of his possessions but also inflicted injuries on him. Here you can see the coordinating conjunction more than one word, but also here and not only here. And it is working as a coordinator here. Coordinating conjunction here to join the sentences together, the independent clauses together. Look at the exercise of it here. Section B. Choose the correct option for the following sentences. We have 8 sentences here and we have to choose the right one. We have 2 options for each sentence. Rahim turned on the computer and Umar searched for turtles online. What it is, a simple sentence or compound sentence? It is very obvious because we have a coordinating conjunction here, and so it is a compound sentence. Look at the second one. Maria went to the mall to purchase birthday for her friends. Yes, we don't have any coordinating conjunction here, so it is a simple sentence. Look at the third one. The sun rose and the birds started playing. Yes, we have and here, so it's a compound sentence. Look at the fourth one. I went to market and purchased sweets and ate them. We have 2 and here, so it is a compound sentence. Look at the fifth one. Alima does not play, nor does Maria go shopping. So we have comma here and nor here, so we have coordinating conjunction here. So it is a compound sentence again. Do these sentences 6, 7, and 8 by yourself. Now look at the section C here. Choose the correct option as instructed in each sentences. You have to choose the right option. For each sentence we have 4 options here. You have to choose the right one. Choose the simple sentence below. You have to choose the simple sentence here. What will be the simple sentence here? The power was off. The power was off until they fixed it. The power was off but they fixed it. The power was off, therefore they fixed it. In the 3 option here we have coordinating conjunction. Yes, until, therefore and but we have no coordinating conjunction here, and this sentence here is so simple, short one, so this is a simple sentence. This is the right option here. Look at the second one. Choose the simple sentence below. Again we have to choose the simple sentence from these options. She got a new job. She got a new job, therefore she learned more. She got a new job, so she was happy. She got a new job and she learned how. We have, yes, 3 coordinating conjunction here. Therefore, when and so. So the simple sentence is the first one. She got a new job. We have no coordinating conjunction here in this sentence, and this is the short and simple one. So this is a right option here. The third and fourth one, I want you to do it yourself. This is your home task from textbook page number 19. You have to identify the compound and the simple sentences here. Just write it in an abbreviation form when you identify it. This is the page from unit number 2. This is your homework from summer pack, page number 12. This is also your homework from summer pack, page number 13 here. And we have an activity of simple and compound sentences.